Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Emirates application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just scroll down, and at the settings section, click on the country and language button. And then click on the language button. And as you can see, here are all the available languages that you can choose from. So if you found yours, then just click on it. And then click on the done button, and your country is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.